Yes, site recovery. This is another important concept. Till now, whatever we are doing, that was a normal backup process. But now the site recovery is something different. Site recovery is saying that it will create a secondary site of your primary one, and secondary site can be used as a DR solution or can be used as a primary solution. Depends. Yes, it's true that the secondary site you are creating, okay, in a site recovery mode, the secondary site will create a different resource group, will create a different network, will create a different virtual machine. Okay, but it will be a clone of your existing infrastructure, and the secondary site will be there as your DR solution. But audience don't confused with geo redundant or something like that. GRS, ZRS, no, nothing like that. This replication or site replication is a simply a separate region. Like my VM is present in South India and I'm making a site replication for East US. So my another secondary region will be created on the East US. So completely separate region. So if I lost my South India region for any reason, I can get my data back from the US region. Got it. So this is called site recovery. We have to configure the replication, that is called site replication. Once we configure it, we can create the clones infrastructure of my existing one. But yes, few things is not going to create, that is availability zone. If you have in a primary area or primary region, availability set that if you have in the primary region, that is not going to be replicate or not going to be happen in the site recovery, Azure site recovery. So if your primary site down, Microsoft will use your secondary site to recover your primary one, or else using traffic management load balancer, your application can directly goes to the secondary site and start communicating with that. But yes, this replication process is not a synchronous process, that is an asynchronous process. So the changes you have done previously in site 1 or region 1, that might not be available in region 2 or site 2. So in that case, you can say yes, you have some chance to lost your data, but not big uh, effect you will get, but there is some kind of data loss. Okay, that you have to consider. But anyway, the cross region site replication option is available for the as a DR solution. Okay, for production environment.
On the pricing, Sujit, is it the same for both the region,
No,
pricing wise?
no, no. Region wise, the pricing can be changed. There is a price. Absolutely, there is a price.
Okay.
Since the secondary region is creating the entire infrastructure for you, so they will charge you, and the charge will be happen based on the secondary region. If a VM cost you 6 rupees here in India, maybe the VM cost you 10 rupees in US, so you have to pay accordingly.
Got it. Yeah.
So in case of the Azure to Azure architecture means, okay, your source architecture is in Azure and destination is also Azure. And when it is migrating your data, how it is failover or how it is migrating. So first of all, it is creating a cache disk. You can see when we configure the replication audience, you will see there is a cache disk will automatically create in the secondary region, and in the cache disk, all your VM data will be cloned. So when you trigger the when you trigger the failover for any kind of reason that your primary region down or something else, it will be the VM status just will transfer to the secondary region and VM will be uh, up and start from the secondary region. And data flow will be happening through the cache. What does it mean? Let's say you have done some changes in the VM. So that changes first written to the cache, and from the cache it will directly goes to the target location, means your DR location. So this way all the changes and initial replication is also happening. It is not replicating directly, instead it is creating a cache data. Okay, cache store, I would say. copy all the VM information, and then it will transfer to the target location or DR location. As I told you, that replication process is a asynchronous process because the VM information will go to the cache, from cache to target location. So in between, in this transfer process, if you completely lost your source area, primary region, there is a chance to data loss. Okay, so that you have to consider again. So before we end up this module, let me go to the portal and create the replication. Audience, to create the replication, we have few considerations. Okay, any query, audience? Okay, so uh, who is there? Hemant. Got it. So what we can do, yeah, we have to go to the service recovery vault, and if I open my vault that I have created here, there is the option replicate. Choose this one. Select your source environment. Audience, I will get a problem, means I will get an error message here when I choose the source environment. Why? My vault location and my source VM location is same. In case of replication, this is the consideration that your vault location and your uh, source VM location should be different. But in my case, I have created the vault in the same region where my virtual machine is also present. So I will get a problem, but we have to see the problem. Like my source location is US2. See, the region of the recovery service vault is the same as the source region. If you are protecting machine across the zone and not region. So you may continue for cross region DR. Please select a vault from the different region. Got it? So my VM present in the same area where my vault is. So what I need to do, I have to change the uh, vault location. How do I change? That we will see soon. So source group, anyway, if I go to continue with that, let me get a error message. So when I choose this particular option, I will find my two virtual machine, RPS Spoke 1, Spoke VM1 and RPS Spoke 2. So let's say I will take this particular VM as my replication option. Configure the setup. So now the target location, the target resource group would be ISP RG ASR. Target virtual network is VNet ASR. So ASR means Azure Service Recovery Virtual Network. That is the cache, audience. This is the cache disk automatically created, as I told you, for replicating your virtual machine data continuously, but in a asynchronous process. There is a one standard disk. Target availability set not applicable. If you have any availability set into the in target or in source, but it is in target, it is not available. There is a replication policy. By default, it is 24-hour retention policy. If you choose to change the policy, you can do so. Okay. Based on that, now you can create the target area. As I did here in a demonstration that the vault location and the VM location is same. Don't do this. In production house, it is not at all recommended. You have to create a vault in a different region, and your VM target source VM should be in a different region. Otherwise, you cannot means if you do so, that would be meaningless. But for demonstration that how does it work, I am doing it. It's not a good solution actually. So, it's still validating. Your task is still pending behind. Wait for a while. Done. After doing this, I can enable the replication. The replication for one VM has been enabled. Wait for a while to complete the setup. It will take little bit of time because it is doing resource group, virtual machine, virtual network, cache. So all of it is creating. So it will take some time. Yes, audience, when it is creating, let me ask you, audience, any query, any question, any confusion do you have related with this topic or any previous topic? Mm, audience, actually, I have a query yesterday that about the throughput of the web application gateway. I find that answer. So what is that URL? I forget it. Wait for a while. Yeah, this one. Who has asked me the question? I'm sorry, I forget the name actually. Someone has asked me the question that what is the maximum throughput of application gateway? Who has asked? Okay. So I'm sorry, I didn't notice that time yesterday to who has asked me that query, that application gateway throughput. Okay, Uday, this is the portal. This is the blog, you can say, where you can find your answer. See, that is 50 Mbps and 200 Mbps. There is a different size available. So depends on the page size, the response page size, the bandwidth is changing. So there is a different size present for the gateway, and based on the size, the throughput is also changing. But this amount is not a very fixed amount or actual amount. It would be changing. It would be changing based on the response size. If response packet size is larger, then bandwidth is also getting increased. Okay, so you can refer the site.
Okay. So
So I will
maximum is 200 Mbps.
maximum is 200 Mbps for a particular scenario. For a particular scenario, I will share the link with you. Just go through the link. You will find your all answer. Okay, Uday.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
this
Fine.
is
Thank you.
sure, man. I find it yesterday, but I forgot to share with that. Yesterday in evening, just at 6:30 or 6:45, we have closed. So that time I forgot to tell you. Now I got remember that. Okay, I need to show this answer. Okay, let me check my. Still, replication process is running. Let it be done. Otherwise, we can't do anything. Okay, audience, do one thing. Since it is taking long time to complete, in between what you can do, you have to start your lab now, and yeah, we will start our next module at 4:15. You have 1 hour, more than 1 hour, I think. Yeah, absolutely 1 hour we have. So 1 hour you have to complete your pending lab. I know that lots of lab are pending, but yes, you can complete few labs within 1 hour, I think. So please continue with your lab. At 4:15, we will start our new module. The new module, and that would be the last module of the course. Will it be okay, audience?
Yeah, that's fine, Sujit. Then what is the plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow we don't have any class. For that is a 4-day class actually. Uh, yeah, that is a 4-day. Today is the fourth day, if I'm not wrong.
So is it a 4-day training?
Yeah, this is a 4-day training. Today
Okay,
is the
okay, okay. I
Thursday.
was not aware of it. Okay, I
No
thought
problem.
it's 5 days. Yeah.
Man, if it is 5 day, then I would be a king. Do you know? I will not take this kind of pressure in my mind to complete the module like this way. I will be very happy if it is 5 day.
Yeah, but the schedule I got, it says it is 11 to 15th. Yeah,
But
that is why I asked, like, what is planned for tomorrow? Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
uh, everyone have the same schedule, 11 to 15. Audience,
Yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, we can take some kind of relaxation. We don't do modules like this way. Yeah, Anil is also saying 11 to 14.
I don't know then how I got it 11 to 15 because in my calendar also it has blocked me till 11 to 15. So this series of meeting invite we got it
I think
from.
so. They mentioned in subject line that 11 to 14, but as per calendar they blocked till 15th May. Because I am
Yes,
also
yes, yeah.
facing the same issue.
In subject it is 14, but in the mail it gives like all 5 days schedules plus calendar also it blocked for 5 days. Maybe some confusion then. Yeah.
Yeah, there would be some confusion actually. Normally, every training scheduled for 5 days, but this particular course and few course of Microsoft, which is having less day, means 3 day and 4 day course. So that's why I think your training department also getting confused.
No, this invite which we got is from go to training.
Go
So
to
maybe
training.
organizer we may have received this.
Let me check. I am right now in go to training. Where is go to training? Go to training. Check,
Hi, Sujit.
Yes, hi Anju. Can you hear
Hi.
me?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can hear you. So I'm not sure where's the confusion. So Uday Subramaniam and all, if there's some confusion. The mail which I had sent with the invite, it is still for till today's date only, not for tomorrow. Can you just cross-check your mail or let me know where is the confusion?
Yes, audience. Can you hear us? Uday, Uday, are you there?
Yes, yes. Actually, confusion is there. Confusion is you have, as per subject line, this is right 11 to 14, but that invite is still 15th May because in our calendar, Outlook calendar, it's blocked till 15th May.
No, when I checked my mail, the calendar invite is there only till 14th only as per my mail. That's why.
Okay,
Or
give me
probably
some
there
time.
will be
I'll
an
I'll
invite.
forward you that first.
Sure, sure. Or probably because the mail which I have, which I'm just going through that mail itself when Sujit told me. So I cross-checked that. So in that it is showing till 14th
Okay,
because there's
give
just
me
four
some
day
time. I'll
course.
forward you that invite. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, should I share a screen to show the mail and how it has blocked the Outlook?
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah, yeah,
Nitin.
you
Let me make you presenter. Nitin, I'll make you presenter. Just wait for a while.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Nitin. Now you are a presenter.
Yeah, give me a time. Not sure whether it's internet is slow or are there any issues at my side. Yeah, I joined back. Sorry, it seems I'm Hello, Sujit.
Hi, Nitin. Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm not able to do anything. My screen got hanged, it seems. Yeah.
Uh, mm, mm. Uh, no problem. I think Uday can forward the mail to Anju, and Anju will look after
Yeah,
it. Okay.
I'll just check
So
on
that would
that.
be okay. Yeah.
There could be
So
a issue with the meeting link. Probably that meeting link will be there till 15th. Looks like I'll just check on that as well. Probably that would have been added in your calendar. That could be a reason.
probably. So yeah. So Uday, please forward the mail to the Anju so that Anju can clarify it, and that it's very sure that the class is for 4 day only. This class is not for 5 day because it is Microsoft official course, so it is only for 4 day.
The team, I'll just request you to just go through the mail,
Is it
the invite which I had
possible
shared. I'm sorry,
can I
Uday.
show my screen so that you will get it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can.
yeah. Uday, just wait for a while. Mm, Let me make you presenter. Yes, Uday, I make you presenter.
Okay.
Mhm.
Are you able to view my screen?
Yes. Anju, can you get the screen?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, so this, if you can see at the down, it is showing as go to training. So this request or this has been added from go to training. The other link, the other mail which I had shared it with you, that is training invite, which you can see that is there only till 14th.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
From
Uday, if you
Anju.
can,
Yes.
if you can open this calendar, then even in inside also it is like
Yeah,
that.
we
Like
can
it.
check that. You can just double click on that and you can check.
The same invite we received on Sunday.
Correct. That is after the registration, right? From go to training.
Yes.
Yeah. So that could be a problem. So I'll just check with the team and I'll get it rectified.
I tried this on two separate lines also, but still error is coming. And when we give this object ID,
Oh,
should it
got
be
it.
like this or? Hmm.
No.
Yeah. Huh.
Uh, do one thing. Uh, execute the line. Wait for a while. Just wait for a while. Accept my accept my request. Accept my request. Did you accept it?
No, I have not received any request from you.
Wait. No option. Previously it was showing. Now it is not showing. Okay. Anyway, go to your console. Go to your console and Cloud Shell. I'll tell you. Okay. First line that you have to execute, that is till scope dot scope.
Yeah, I tried that too. Okay,
Okay.
so I have.
Let me get the get the error message first. Run it
Yes,
again. Get the
here on this line there is no error.
yeah.
Okay, so this goes well.
Okay. Okay. Now
And
just run dollar scope. Just run dollar scope now. Enter.
yeah, I
There
did.
is no information present. It's supposed to present some role assignment that has been taken by using these commandlets.
Okay,
Support request contributor custom. Get AZ role assignment. Role definition name. Okay. Do one thing. Just execute this one. Get AZ role assignment hyphen role definition name support request controller. So this line you have to execute. Don't put anything before and after.
okay, only this much.
Yeah. Yes. Enter. There is no information. Now remove the single quote and put the double quote. Let me check. Role definition support request controller.
No difference.
Nothing is there. Now role definition get is role assignment. Okay, go to what it is called. Mm, Azure Active Directory.
Yeah, actually, I was here earlier.
Okay. Now go to not all user Azure Active Directory, the directory page.
Okay,
Support request contributor. Support request contributor. There is a where is the role actually? Role and administration. Go there.
role and
Administrator.
1 minute.
Mhm.
Role and administrator.
Hmm. Yeah,
No,
there
wait.
is under message. Sorry, manage. I'm sorry. Under manage, there is a role and administrator.
Okay. Role and administrator. Okay.
Can you find this role? Support request contributor something.
Yeah, I don't see that role here.
Okay, got it. Now, can you remember, Nitin, that have you mentioned this role somewhere else with any user or something?
Yeah. I added this user, this particular role when I went
Open
to
it.
this users. Okay, so this particular user, we have added that role.
Where it is?
Oh, that I did via script only.
You did via script only. Okay, can you
Huh.
select on the Azure role assignment in the left hand side under manage Azure role assignment? See, under manage, go down. Yeah, no, nothing is there.
No
And
role
there
assignment.
is an under manage, there is a assigned role. See, under manage, there is a assigned role.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay,
here we need to add assignments or what?
click on it, click on it. Just click on it. Add assignment, click on it. What role it is? Okay, no, not this one. Not this one. Okay, have you create any resource? Have you create any resource here? Anything? Resource group you have created, na? Nitin?
Resource we have 1 minute. I am not sure, so just let me confirm.
Any resource like resource group, network, virtual network, anything have you created?
1 minute. Let me recall. Okay. Actually, I went through IAM, access control, IAM.
Yeah, that is not there. That IAM is present with any resource.
So I went through that earlier.
Mm-hmm. What you did means where in which resource you have made it.
No, that we did on the group actually. So I will just close this. We have the groups, no?
Mm-hmm.
Here we have groups, and in groups, mm, or domain.
No, you cannot find here.
Okay, so resource
Any
groups.
resource,
Hmm.
open resource.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, open it. I'll show you. Open it. No problem. There is a IAM, access control.
Access control.
And there is
Then
a role assignment.
role assignments.
Hmm. Now in role assignment, group by role, click on add option. Click on add. Yeah.
I think from here I went, I guess. Okay, and here
Yeah.
we get that role now.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
here
see
we
the
get
name.
that role.
See the name.
Ah, right. I went from here. Yes, support request contributor, and then I
Support request.
selected
this particular user.
Remove this one. Remove that.
This one, okay.
Done.
But we need to add no one.
Yeah, you need to add it. If you remove it, you have to add it. But if your lab step is saying that you have to remove the custom scope or something, that you can also add, also delete from here.
But here yes, but it's not appearing now. So if I want to add, so currently I cannot assign this, or is there any button here? Yeah, it is there. Save.
Yeah.
Save button. But this I did earlier.
No, I just want to see the name of the custom contributor, support request contributor. So because that particular role assignment, it is not able to find. So when you
But
run the
it's there,
PowerShell
no?
command, yeah, it's there. Support contributor custom. It is there. Then why it is not taking? Okay. Open it. Open it. Your PowerShell screen. What it is called? Cloud Shell. Yeah. Open it and just run get AZ role assignment. Get AZ role assignment. Get hyphen AZ role assignment. Don't write anything.
It is not displaying on screen.
Nothing is showing. Why it is so? Get AZ role assignment. Run get command. Run get command.
Only get exit role assignment, or which one?
No,
Only get.
just run get hyphen command. Get hyphen command. Get hyphen command space hyphen name space get AZ role assignment space. I don't think it will give me the message. Let me check.
No, it's not coming.
Enter. Let's see. Yeah, it is there. Role assignment. AZ role assignment. It is there. Okay, do one thing. Import module. Import hyphen. Import hyphen module. Space AZ dot resources. Enter. Now just run get AZ role assignment. Nothing is showing here. Home AZ user. That's okay. That's not a big deal. Then what your step is saying? Just use this particular commandlets to get remove the role assignment, right?
Yes. From screen we have added, and now to remove it, they have given this commandlets, and using that, this ask us to do the cleanup activity, basically cleaning up the resources. Yeah. So though it says like it doesn't include.
But your command is not picking up anything. No role assignment has been picking up from the portal. I'm not able to take your control also.
Yeah, should we add a role here first and then see like what happens? Like currently we have not yet saved this one. Let's assign and then again try uh, how it will be. But this is in Cloud Shell storage, not this. Actually, it was with that management groups which we have created.
From the management group. That's okay, but at least it should take the role assignment. Let me check in my console. Wait for a while. Does it work for my case or not? Let me check. Just give me 2 minutes. PowerShell, PowerShell. Get AC. Yeah, it is taking from my computer, from my local Cloud Shell. Then why it is not taking from your side? Nathan, are you there?
Yes, Sujit.
Open the Cloud Shell. Yeah, just write get-az role and press tab. Get-az role. Get-az role and press tab.
It's not coming. Yeah, now it can. Yeah. It is there.
It is there, but I'm not able to see this. I'm just see arrow. Maybe the
No,
screen
on
is
the left hand
appeared.
side. Yeah, here it is. There.
Okay. Role. Just write get-az role assign and press tab to take the commandlets by automatically. I just want to say this. Yeah, press enter. Yeah, enter.
It's coming.
Now enter it. What is happening with you, man? It's showing in my console. Every role information it's showing in my console.
So, is there anything more we have to do? Like this importing which you tried, like import module edge resources. So like that, are we missing on something?
That I can tell you only when I able to see the step. Let me check. Let me check the
Hmm.
step. I have your lab, na. Wait for a while. I have your lab. Wait. Where is download? Azure Administrator Master. Give me 2 minutes. Let me check your lab.
It's lab
Is
2, lab 2, and at the end it has some cleanup resources activity.
cleanup resources activity. Okay. Hmm. From the Cloud Shell pan, run the following to remove assignment role for object ID placeholder with the value of the object ID attribute. Scope, details, and role definition and support.
Does anyone has faced similar issue? Not sure.
Audience, have you faced this kind of issue that your commandlets is not running in Cloud Shell? Audience, can you hear me?
So I have used CLI, so I haven't faced this issue. Not in command. I have downloaded Azure CLI.
Okay. Anyone else? I think they are on mute anyway. Okay, do one thing, Nitin. Let me try another thing. Just change to bash. Just change to bash. Confirm it. Okay, and then change to PowerShell. Again, change to PowerShell. Hmm. Yes. Now you have to try get AZ role assign. Yeah, no problem, no problem. It's okay. Hyphen role AZ role assign. Yeah.
No, it on Hyphen it's not moving. Now it gives so many things now. Earlier it was not
Yeah,
giving.
just okay. No problem. Find out that one. AZ role assigned. Press tab.
No, role definition. Role
Yeah,
assignment.
enter. Yeah, enter.
Yeah, it's not returning anything.
It is not retaining anything. Go to the settings of. Acha, you are using the Cloud Shell right now or before you have used it?
Earlier, yesterday also I used it. Yesterday's lab I did.
AZ role definition, AZ storage. Then why it is not appearing here?
Yesterday I used it for importing one of the one JSON file we have uploaded, where it was mentioning uh, Yeah, it is a file where this support request contributor custom role was assigned through the file to this particular management group. So for that we did.
See, if I show you my console, na, wait for, let me
Hmm.
change the presenter. See, if I show you my console,
Yeah, I need to exit sharing. Okay.
hello, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Nathan?
yes,
Yeah.
I'm there. Yes.
See, when I run your command get AZ role assignment, okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm getting all the informations of my machine, means my Azure infrastructure.
Okay.
See,
Okay, for you it is coming your first name. For us it is coming Azure user. Okay, but I think that is how it is. It looks like okay.
so it's supposed to be show everything, na? See,
It should
K8,
come.
মানে Kubernetes cluster.
So how do we enable this? How we can make this understand this command? Is there any other way?
What you need? Tell me.
How do
What you
we
need
make
from me?
this? Yeah, no, this
One thing
PowerShell.
you can do. I think one thing you can do. See, PowerShell. This role assignment, AZ role assignment, you have to download it in your local computer. You have to download the module, Azure module. Once you download the module and import it, now onwards you can find this particular commandlets in your local computer.
Okay,
Like
and
in my local computer, if I say import module az dot resources, wait for a while. Yeah.
so when I tried this, yeah, this is what I also got the same error in my local
Yeah.
system.
Because that resource is not there. Az resource is not there. That's why you are getting the error. You have to download it. You can
So
download it from the GitHub.
okay, and GitHub, I'm not able to connect from my laptop. Mm.
You have to download it from GitHub. That is the only way.
Yeah,
Do you
to
have?
perform this lab, then I need to figure out some different way because our laptops do come with a lot of security
Hmm.
uh, constraints. So maybe, yeah, maybe tomorrow onwards, I will try using in some of the VMs where we have laser security, and there I will try. So when we do all this, maybe we will need your help in case of issues. So that is why I was requesting if you can
Yeah,
share
I
the
will share
details.
my details.
From,
I will
okay,
share my details with you.
okay,
And
okay.
one last tips for you, Nitin. That your Cloud Shell is not working properly. I don't know why, because this is the portal
Uh,
problem. We don't have any control to that. You just restart your cloud shell. That you can do. I think after restarting it, probably you can find your solution for now.
Okay, I did that. I did that now. Let's see. It's getting restarted.
Yeah. So check it that if it is work fine. Otherwise, you have to download the module in your local computer, and from there you can run the cloud that commandlets. Because I don't think everyone is getting the same issue. Because
How do I download it from GitHub? You said you have to download these resources from GitHub.
I'll tell you.